Hello guys, welcome to this video. We are going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Vision6 Action Automation for workflow apps. Once you're on your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app and click on it. Click on Install. Here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to a CMAQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the configuration walkthrough video that is going to help you on how to set up the app. Under the setup, here we notice that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your account online. Once you're here, you're going to click on the integration icon. Click on API keys. Scroll down and click on Create a new API key. You're going to enter your API key name, and here you're going to choose full access. You're going to toggle on this button. Then you're going to click on Create API key. There we go. Our API key has been created. So we are going to copy our API key and head over back to your account. Click Start Setup and paste your API key. Click Complete Setup. And there we go. Our app has successfully been connected. We equally have the support center. At the level of support center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the change log. At the level of the change log, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. You're all set. If you have any questions or need help, our support team is available 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.